All right, so I thought the deal of the day was over at Lennar, and on the way out of the community, I came over to here to Starlight Homes. Now, Starlight Homes is a smaller builder, but they're a division of a larger builder, and so they really do make a decent home. It's just a more of an entry-level home, okay? And so I dropped in there. They've got the Moonbeam, and the Moonbeam is 1,662 square feet, 3 beds, 2 baths. It's a 1-story home. There's 2 homes on this street here that are going to be exactly as this model, but the model, or this home is already sold, but it's completed, and the other 2 aren't yet. So I'm going to go through this house, but the ones that are at this price that are available are 2 doors down and 4 doors down. And so, but here's the big deal on this one, okay? Because I sold the house down here at the corner to my cousin. Oop, it's looking at me. I sold the house down here at the corner on the right side to my cousin just 3 months ago, or not even 3 months ago. And that house was under contract at $280,000, and the appraisal came in at $266,000, I believe. And then I went to work and got the builder to sell the house to her at that price. And so I'm noticing this $266,990, okay? And this home is 200 feet smaller. And so as soon as I saw the pricing, I turned to her, I said, listen, and I was working with a different sales agent at the time, but I said, listen, we had an issue with the appraisal, and then I went to work, and she's like, yeah, that's, and I said, I asked her, is this what you guys are experiencing? And she gave me the nod that it is. So I'm just going to say, I don't believe that the house is going to appraise for $266,000, but someone who buys this house has to be willing to pay that $266,000. And if it comes in lower, it's just golden. But I got to tell you, I believe that the house is going to wind up coming in $8,000 to $10,000 less than the contract price. Now, they are also paying $5,000 towards closing costs, just like Lennar. And the deal with these it is quick move-in. So they're looking to close within 30 days. Now, the 2 homes that are down the street are not completed yet, so they can't close necessarily in 30 days, but as soon as they're completed, they will be ready to close. All right, so here we go. There's a small bedroom in the front. Another bedroom with a walk-in closet, a full bathroom. Laundry, gas, just some closets, and then all the appliances aren't in here either, but this is the granite that they use in all the homes. It is nice. It's got a nice like cranberry in it. Cabinets are the same throughout, undermount sink in all of them. Oh, and then the 2 homes that are on the street will back up to this berm as well. So there will be no neighbors behind, which is nice. And if you look here, you can see that those are the white tanks over in Verado. So it does have a little bit of a mountain view. Nice sized backyard, nice covered patio. And so this is listed at $266,990, I believe I said. And once again, I just don't think it's going to appraise for that. So I believe that whoever buys this house at the builder's contract price at $266,990 will be pleasantly surprised once the appraisal comes in, and I believe it'll be a little bit less. I can't guarantee that, but I can tell you from experience that's what's happening. And when the new home sales agent goes quiet and turns to me and starts nodding her head, it's just the way it works. All right, so Andrew Texidor out here at Blue Horizons. Love to help you buy your next home.